Alright, I'm back here at my aunt's new house here. This is in her computer room / office. And this is a 44-inch Harbor Breeze Mayfield flash mount ceiling fan. Plus, if you notice, I actually have one of these in my room at my house, except the pull chains are a little longer. See, LED lights. Yeah, alright. Gonna start with low. Yeah, the pull chains are a little longer. I have one. I actually have this one at my house, except in my basement. Sorry, that was just your computer. This feels good. Alright. Just ignore that talking. That's just my mom and my aunt. Alright. There's low. Here's medium speed. That feels good. That feels good. Alright. Here's medium. And here's high speed. Well, that feels good. Yeah. So far, I have, so I forgot to mention this is a white one. The one in the master bedroom is a white one, and the one in the back, in the other bedroom office, the 42-inch one is a white one. Cut the light off. Again, I'm not gonna mess with the reverse switch because I hardly use these fans. Again, those are, yep, there. Are those, yep, those are LED lights. Alright, guys. Thank you. Anyway, and I got 2 more to do. If I don't get them this time, I'll try to get them some other day. Until then, thanks for watching. Until then, that's gonna be it.